Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Lightroom color grading preset in exported assets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Import the images you want to edit if you haven't already. Select the image you want to work with. Navigate to the right-hand panel where the adjustment options are located. Scroll down to the Effects section. Locate the Color Grading panel within the Effects section. Click on the Color Grading panel to expand it. You will see the three wheels for shadows, midtones, and highlights. If you have presets applied, they may affect your exported images. To disable the color grading effect for your export, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Export. In the Export dialog box, look for the section labeled File Settings. Scroll down until you find the Image Sizing section. Make sure the option for Use less than original size is unchecked if you want the original size. Next, find the watermarking section and ensure it is set according to your needs. Now, look for the post-processing options at the bottom of the dialog box. Identify the Apply During Export option. Make sure any color grading presets are unchecked here. Finish by clicking the Export button. Your image will now export without the color grading presets applied. You can repeat these steps for additional images as needed. Now you have successfully disabled Lightroom color grading presets in your exported assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.